or footboard with standard mesh low beds are designed to eliminate the need for restraints, making them ideal for psychiatric and Alzheimer residents. With smooth curved corner supports and double-walled stress points, these beds provide a safe and secure sleeping environment. The 3 different deck heights make it easy for caregivers to work with patients, and the beds can be easily cleaned for optimal hygiene. Shipped in 2 boxes for easy assembly, these beds are user-friendly, durable, and lightweight. The heavy-duty casters provide extra security and safety, ensuring that they will not fall or pull out. The multi-position elevated headrest adds comfort and versatility to the bed. Please note that the mattress, headboard, or footboard and casters are not included, but can be easily added to complete the setup.